everybody. I gotta take my shoes off. Steven shampooed his carpet yesterday, and I don't want to undo his, although that's not me. You got some type of grass going on in here, and that was not from me. That grass on your carpet, that's not from me. I'm parking my shoes right there. So now that I have my shoes taken off, let's go check out what's going on up here in the cab. Oh, it's sure cold. I see some clothes from where he's cleaning out a closet. Alright, so what I'm trying to see is how far he's gotten building AJ's bunk. Okay, so yesterday he took out a storage. Well, it sure is cold up here. Woo! It's like in the 20s today. Yes, I am actually freezing. I got my coat on. My coat. I need some gloves on. Alright, so I was able to film some of the stuff that he did. Not everything. So he explained to me that this is the ledge where the bed folds out, and it falls onto this ledge when it folds out. See, the other side has it too. So I can't see what he has done. I don't want to pull it down myself. So I'm going to just kind of climb up here. Let me climb up here. And AJ, he's going to have windows up here. Okay, so this is going to fold down and be AJ's bunk. And Steven's going to have curtains around here. And I'll have to show it to you when Steven folds it down. So it's going to, when it folds down, it'll be on these little...
Cold in there.
I know. I was just telling everybody how cold it is in here. Woo! It's really cold.
I'll turn the heater on. Yeah, I gotta have all these screws that fasten this to the bottom here. Those fastens down here like that. Or around it. Let me see. Probably goes more like that.
Does that seatbelt pull out? Is that a pull? Oh, that's a seatbelt.
Stop, that's not a seatbelt.
Oh.
You're yanking on things you don't know what you're yanking on. So that's how that goes right there. I fasten this all the way across. So it looks like I need 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I got 7 screws. And then there's a cover that goes on this too to hide that. It matches this.
Okay.
Put that on, and this goes to a light. And I don't know if I'll put that light back in or not.
Well, he'll need a light up there, won't he?
It's for down here, dingy dongy.
Oh.
There's lights up there. Well, when this is down, there's no light under here. See, when this comes down, see?
Oh yeah, I'll make it kind of dark, won't it? Well, is that going to be like a really... Oh man, you're going to sit up and you're going to bump your head on his bed.
That's why I didn't want the bunk in, Ruthie.
Yeah, because I'm just trying to visualize what it's going to look like. And
I have this blanket on here for a reason, so dirt don't get on my blanket.
Okay. So, yeah, like if you like suddenly woke up and forgot the bunk was up there, then you can hit your head on it.
I don't want to put it back in, but the things you have to go through for kids.
Well, it will certainly add adventure to being on the road, I guess. Now that you're going to have your 11-year-old son. He'll be 12 in May. Yeah, let me lay down here for a minute. And
I gotta patch that hole there, stuck in the wall. So I'm touching up.
so it's just basically a frame, a metal frame, and then it's going to like...
It's an aluminum frame.
Oh,
not metal.
Aluminum frame. Okay, and so it's going to fold out onto the ledge there. So like during the day, you're going to have his bed folded up during the day then. And you're
it's gonna stay down. It ain't gonna be going up and down.
Oh, it's going to stay down. Oh, okay. And you're going to have some curtains around him, I guess?
Yeah, there'll be a curtain rod up there too. I'll make it with instead of, I can't put one up like that, so it's gonna have to be like something made on a bungee cord or something. And the covers for the windows, I'll put those back on. I just got them down so I can have light in here right now.
Yeah.
But the hard part is done. It's the bunk is in, so I just have to refasten the material, and then I have to put in new straps for where the mattress lays down, so the mattress will have something to lay on. This is the only reason why this is on here is just to cover it up so it doesn't look tacky and it matches the rest of the wall. It doesn't have to go on there, but I want it on there because I don't want my truck being all tacky looking.
And the mattress is going to fit on the frame, okay, I guess?
Well, I have to get a mattress. I'll measure which one it's going to take and put one in there.
Probably from his top bunk then, right?
More likely, yeah. If it fits.
Yeah, HA's got a bunk bed where the bottom is a full size. The bottom of his bunk is a full size mattress, and the top of his bunk is a twin size. Cause we got rid of the mattress that came with this, right?
No, the mattress is. I'm using that mattress.
Oh. Well,
all the other trucks, I threw them all out. The mattress that Bob had in here was a good mattress.
Okay.
Bob.
But then it had two mattresses then, right?
No, it didn't have a mattress on top.
Oh, okay. It did not have a mattress on the top. Okay.
You're thinking of the Peterbilts.
Oh, okay.
The Peterbilts all had extra mattresses because when I brought home that white one, I got bugs.
Yeah, I remember.
So I threw that. It was a brand new mattress. And I put it in storage. It just sat up there for like 5 years when I gave it away. That black one.
Right.
Then I had another brand new one that was never even used. I didn't like the way it felt. I gave both of them to the Mennonites.
Yep, the Mennonites.
But that one that Bob had in here, that's a real plush mattress.
That's the one that I'm laying on.
Yeah.
Ooh, plush. Plush mattress.
Well, it feels good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's a nice mattress. Those mattresses that goes in these trucks are expensive. You can get the cheap ones. You can get them in a little box and get them in here and cut it and poof it and it'll blow up. Them things are crap. You can't sleep on those.
I thought you were going to put a heater on in here.
It is on.
Oh, well, I'm not feeling it.
Well, the doors are wide open.
All right, well. Happy bonus day. February 29th.
Hi.
Is tomorrow really March the 1st? No way.
Find a screw hole, get this started.
Steven, so do you find that the years are just going by too fast?
They do go by fast. The older you get, the faster they'll go. There we go. That's not tight yet. That's why it makes it noise. Alright. One, we got 8 more to go. I saved all these when I took them out, but they were just all over the place. They were in the glove box, or in the can, they're everywhere. That one's gonna be a little tougher to get to. Yeah, hooey. I can't see it. It's pretty close. That's it. Two. 7 more to go.
Alright, well, I'll let you get those 7 screws in, and I'll check back with you all later. Love you, Steven. Check back with you later. I'll check in with you all later. Love you, Steven. You want to come in? Look, there's October waiting to come up into the truck. Come on.
She's a boner girl.